Bona darkness, my old friend, you've come to rob me once again. I can hear your footsteps creeping through my condo as I lie sleeping. And the brick you used to smash my window pane, it still remains, and all I hear are sirens. In restless streets I walked alone. They stole my car, I can't get home. Beneath the halo of the old street lamp, they stole my wallet at the auto bank. I was mugged by a gangster and his pals. They split my skull, and all I hear are sirens. And a restless night I saw one constable, not one more. He shouted, "Freeze, this is the cop speaking." They broke his car cabin without listening. Gangsters running wild as they all are out on bail. No place in jail, and all I hear are sirens. And in the naked light I saw a shadow move across my floor. I quickly ran and I moored him once. It was the Okie from the armed response. Sorry, I said as he moved down on his head. My face was red.